Today we're going to have us a banana smoothie, and what we're going to take is 2 cold bananas, frozen bananas. I've had these in the freezer for an hour. Okay, we're going to put these into under there. Some strawberry yogurt with banana, and we're going to dump it in. We're going to take some yogurt, banana split, and put it in there. That's a banana split. We're going to call this a banana split because of this yogurt. And we're going to take a handful of white chocolate chips. We're going to take a cup of milk and give it a good pour in there. Then we're going to put the top back on. I'm going to turn this on. And we're going to give this a good spin. We're going to give it a good stir in there. Look how good creamy that is. Okay, about like that. Now we're going to do this a taste test on this. Do a taste test, see how it tastes. Oh my god, that is delicious. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do leave me a comment down below. And if you subscribe to my channel, don't hit that bell so you get all my notifications. Thank you for watching. Y'all have